Hello students, this is Ejas's Maths Academy and I am Ansar sir. Today we are going to study English grammar, and in English grammar we are going to study a new topic. It's called the degrees of comparison. So what's our topic today? It's the degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. You all know that there are three degrees of comparison: the positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. So we'll deal with the rules on degrees of comparison, how to interchange one degree from into another degree of comparison. So how to convert comparative degree to superlative degree, how to convert superlative degree into positive degree, how to convert positive degree into comparative and superlative degree. We'll deal with the rules on these. So let us start by studying rule number one. Let us start with rule number one, and know one thing: there are certain words which appear to be in the comparative degree but they are not. For example, he is junior dash me. He is junior blank me. Junior than or junior to. So it should be junior to. He is junior to me. I am senior to him. I am senior to him, not than. THAN than would be wrong, because senior is not a degree of comparison. Let us start. And there are certain words which have no degree, which actually do not have any degree of comparison. For example, interior, exterior, inferior, superior, anterior, posterior. These words they are not the words which can be converted from positive to comparative or from comparative to superlative degrees. Let us start. We'll start with rule number one. Everything is known to you. We'll directly start with rules. So let's study type 1. So it is the first type of examples. For these first types of examples, we need to make a box. We'll divide it into 3 parts, into 6 parts. This is positive degree. We'll write positive degree with PD, comparative degree would be CD, and superlative degree would be SD. What is PD? PD is positive degree of comparison. What is CD? Comparative degree. What is SD? Superlative degree. Shall I write down their full forms? Since we are writing for the first time, we should write the complete spelling. It's positive degree, comparative degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. So these are the 3 degrees of comparison. And see, type 1. These are first type of examples. They are very easy. Positive degree will be no other, dot dot dot, ellipsis, dot dot dot, than, than, any other, and here it would be the EST or most. You know that tall has a comparative degree: taller, tall, taller, tallest, broad, broader, broadest, strong, stronger, strongest. Okay, so but the words having 2 or more vowel sounds, 2 or more syllables, take more or most before them in comparative and superlative degrees respectively. For example, difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Let us start studying the examples. It's example number 1, positive degree. I'll teach you a few examples, and then you will have to do the given examples. I'll give you an assignment. So positive degree. No other animal in the world, no other animal in the world is so faithful is so faithful as the dog. No other animal in the world is so faithful as the dog. Remember here it should be so faithful because there is a rule that if it is a negative sentence then it must be so here, not as. But most of the people, most teachers write as here. That's why I am also writing. I also am writing as. Otherwise, it should be so. Grammatically, meaningfully, it should be so. But we are writing as. So faithful. Which word has to be changed into comparative and superlative degree? Faithful. How do we know? Because it is placed between as and as. Okay. See, it's comparative degree. What is the meaning? No other animal in the world is as faithful as the dog. The meaning must not change. Let us see how we will change it. Let us see how we change it. It will be the dog is, what is it? No other. No other animal in the world is as faithful as the dog. And its comparative degree will be the dog is. What is the comparative degree of faithful? More faithful. The dog is more faithful. Faithful is loyal. The dog is more faithful than. A comparative degree is always followed by THAN, than. The dog is more faithful than any other animal. Any other animal in the world. The dog is more faithful than any other animal in the world. Its superlative degree will be the dog is the most faithful. The dog is the most faithful animal in the world. These are the simple examples. So the first positive degree is no other. We start positive degree with no other. No other animal in the world is as faithful as the dog. The meaning must not change. Comparative degree will be, we have changed faithful into more faithful, and more faithful is changed into here most faithful. So the degree is not, the meaning is not changing. Only the degree of comparison is changing. So no other animal in the world is as faithful as the dog. The dog is more faithful than any other animal in the world. The dog is the most faithful animal in the world. See, the meaning is the same in all the three sentences. Let us see the second example. This was the first one. The second example. Positive degree. No other doctor in Nagpur, let it be Mumbai. No other doctor in Mumbai is as experienced as Munna Bhai. You might have seen the movie Munna Bhai MBBS. No other doctor in Mumbai is as experienced as Munna Bhai. This word experienced is placed between as, and the word has more than two vowel sounds. That's why it has more. It is not a monosyllabic word. Experienced. So its comparative will be more experienced, and superlative will be most experienced. So let us do its comparative degree. No other doctor in Mumbai is as experienced as Munna Bhai. So there is no other doctor who is comparable to Munna Bhai in his experience. Comparative degree will be Munna Bhai. The last word is brought Munna Bhai. The first. Munna Bhai. We know Munna Bhai is singular and the question is asked in the present tense is. So we will write is. Munna Bhai is. Now what is the comparative degree of experienced? It will be more experienced. Munna Bhai is more experienced. Munna Bhai is more experienced than. Whenever we change it to comparative degree more experienced, so it must always be followed by than. THAN. Munna Bhai is more experienced than any other doctor in Mumbai. So the meaning is the same. No other doctor in Mumbai is as experienced as Munna Bhai. Munna Bhai is more experienced than any other doctor in Mumbai. The superlative degree. The superlative degree is Munna Bhai is the most experienced. We know superlative degree must be preceded by the definite article, though we studied in the previous lecture. Munna Bhai is the most experienced. Munna Bhai is the most experienced doctor in Mumbai. Munna Bhai is the most experienced doctor in Mumbai. So these are two examples given by me. You can do them, you can study them properly so that you will be able to solve more examples of this kind. I am erasing the heading. Actually, such types of sentences should be done in a live class, because I can give you the questions and I can ask you questions one by one. You can tell me the answers. I can ask all students to give the answers. But we are locked up in lockdown. So, positive degree. No other exercise is as good as swimming. No other exercise is as good as swimming. What will be the comparative degree? Swimming is better than any other exercise. Swimming is better than any other exercise. No other exercise is as good as swimming. Good. What is the comparative degree of good? Better. Good, better, best. WELL, well. Well, better, best. Good, better, best. Well, better, best. EVIL, evil. Evil, worse. WORSE, worse. Superlative will be worst. WORST, worst. Ill, worse, worst. Bad, worse, worst. ILL, ill, worse, worst. Out, outer, outermost. Many, more, most. Much, more, most. So its superlative degree will be. No other exercise is as good as swimming. Swimming is better than any other exercise. Here it will be swimming is the best exercise. It's a very simple topic. You can easily do all the examples. Swimming is the best exercise. Swimming is the best exercise. Example number 4. So, again here it is. No other political leader was as famous as Gandhiji. difference between famous and popular? Famous means all people know that person. Famous means all people know. It is well known. But what is the meaning of popular? Popular. Popular. Popular means it is well known. All the people know and love that object or person. So that is popular. So it is better to be popular than only to be famous. No other political leader was as famous as Gandhiji was. And this is the positive degree. We have to convert it into comparative degree. You can pause the video and you can convert it into comparative degree. Then you can check it out. So the answer comparative degree will be Gandhiji was, what's the comparative degree of famous? And how do we know that we have to convert famous into more famous? As. The word between two as will be changed into comparative degree. Gandhiji was more famous. Gandhiji was more famous than any other. See, we are writing was here because in the question it's was. The question is in the past tense, so our answer also will be in the past tense. Gandhiji was more famous than any other political leader. Political leader. So it's a very simple type, and the superlative degree will be Gandhiji was the most famous. Gandhiji was the most famous political leader. Gandhiji was the most famous political leader. I hope that you understood this type of examples. I think I should give you some examples as an assignment so that you will solve these in your grammar notebook, and you'll take the photo and you'll send it to me on WhatsApp. You all have my WhatsApp number, so you'll send the answers on my WhatsApp number. I'll check your answers. So write down the questions for practice. Number 1, or let us say number 5, the positive degree. No other river in the world is as large as the Nile. The Nile is the largest river in the world. No other river in the world is as large as the Nile. Number 6, positive degree. You have to change it to comparative degree and superlative degree both. No other metal is as useful as iron. R is silent there, it's iron. Number 7, positive degree. No other teacher is as boring as Ansar sir. No other teacher is as boring as Ansar sir. No other teacher in the world, let it be, or in Nagpur. No other teacher in Nagpur is as boring as Ansar sir. Number 8, positive degree. no other what? No other subject. No other subject. No other disease nowadays. No other disease. No other disease is as dreadful as COVID-19. No other disease is as dreadful as COVID-19. Example number 9. I have taught you 4 examples, so you'll solve only 4 examples as your assignment. Let us proceed to type number 2. Type 2. So it's the second type of examples, and here be careful. Many students commit mistakes while solving this second type. It's positive degree, here it is comparative degree, and the next is superlative degree. Positive, comparative and superlative degree. So in positive degree, here it will be very few. Here it will be than many other. Don't forget, it's not any other, it's many other. Many. And here it will be one of the either EST or most. We know when to use most and when to use EST. So example number 1, positive degree. I will have to explain first. See the sample example. Very few students in our class are as intelligent as George. Very few students in our class are as intelligent as George. What is the meaning? What is the meaning of the sentence? Very few students in our class are as intelligent as George. You can pause the video, note down the questions so that I can erase them. I can wipe them off from here and write down its comparative degree. Say its comparative degree. Then I will explain. Very few students in our class are as intelligent as George. So it will be George is. Intelligent has comparative degree as more intelligent. George is more intelligent than many other students in our class. Many other students in our class. George is more intelligent than many other students in our class. This word is many, M-A-N-Y, many. And the superlative degree will be SD, the superlative degree. Well, right? George is one of the most intelligent students in our class. George is one of the most intelligent students in our class. George is one of the most intelligent students in our class. Are you all able to see things clearly? It's George is more intelligent than many other students in our class. George is one of the most intelligent students in our class. And the positive degree was very few students in our class are as intelligent as George. Now I will explain the meaning. Let us see how it is correct meaningfully. The meaning must not change. Here I am writing, very few students in our class are as intelligent as George. Let us suppose this is the class and these are the students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Okay, and intelligent, these are all dull students. Dull students. These are all duffers. These are all weak students. And the intelligent students are 1, 2, 3. Let me make hash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, how many students are there in the class? 25. How many students are there in the class? 25. And out of 25 students, how many students are intelligent ones? How many are intelligent? 5 students are the most intelligent students, equally intelligent students. Equally intelligent students. So, how many students are equally intelligent in the class? 5 students. So, see the meaning. Very few students. Here, what does very few means? 4. Very few here means 4. F-O-U-R, 4. 4 students in our class are as intelligent as George. There are 4 other students who are equally intelligent to George. Understood this meaning? Now see comparative degree. George is more intelligent than many other students. So George, suppose this is George. George is more intelligent than these many 20 students. Okay, here many other means 20. Many other means 20. Very few means 4. So 4 students in our class are as intelligent as George. They are as intelligent, they are equally intelligent to George. And comparatively, George is more intelligent than 20 students in our class. And George is one of the most intelligent students. Remember, he is one of the most intelligent students means one of the most intelligent students means one out of 5 intelligent students. It means George is 1 out of 5 intelligent students. So that's why here it should always be students, plural. Okay, I hope you understood the meaning of the sentence. See, there are 20 dull students in the class and 5 are equally intelligent. So we have written very few students in our class are as intelligent as George. So here very few means 4. 4 other students are there, hash students. They are as intelligent as George is. Okay, now where is George? Hash and surrounded by the circle is George. Comparative degree. George is more intelligent than many other students in our class. Yes, it is meaningfully correct because George is more intelligent than these 20 many other students in the class. Star students 20. George is one of the most intelligent students in our class. So it means George is 1 out of the 5 most intelligent students in the class. There are 5 most intelligent students in the class denoted by hash, and George is one of those 5 students. He is one of the 5 most intelligent students in the class. I hope you understood it. We'll study a few more examples. I'll give you the assignment. So it is in our textbook. Let us forget it. See the next example. Number 2, positive degree. Very few subjects are as interesting as maths. Very few subjects are as interesting as maths. Comparative degree will be maths is more interesting. Maths is more interesting. So as interesting has become more interesting. Comparative degree. Maths is more interesting than. Comparative degree is always followed by THAN than. Maths is more interesting than many other subjects. If you write any other subjects, it will be wrong. It's many other subjects. Maths is more interesting than many other subjects. And the superlative degree will be maths is one of the most interesting subjects. Most interesting. So maths is one of the most interesting subjects. Always remember, it is subjects because it is one of the most interesting subjects. One out of many other interesting subjects. So these are the two examples. I will give you the third example. Note these down in your grammar copy. Make a separate grammar copy for our English grammar. Number 3 is positive degree. Very few fruits are as nutritive. Very few fruits are as nutritive as the apple. Very few fruits are as nutritive as the apple. So what will be the answer? Comparative degree. The apple is more nutritive than many other fruits. The apple is more nutritive than many other fruits. The superlative degree will be the apple is one of the most nutritive fruits. Okay, so these are the 3 examples. I'll give you 3 more examples for practice. If you say not 3 sir, give us more than 3 examples, so we can have that also. The 4th one for your practice. Very few textbooks, or what shall I write? Very few actors in the Bollywood. Very few actors in the Bollywood are as beautiful or shall I write handsome? Remember, nowadays even actresses also are called actors. So there should be no differentiation between the male and the female gender in the society. Very few actors in the Bollywood are as handsome as Tiger Shroff. You can write any other actor. Not necessary that you must write Tiger Shroff. You can write any other actor. Shall I write Salman Khan? You can write Tiger Shroff, Hrithik Roshan, any other actor. There is some Dhawan. Okay. Very few actors in the Bollywood are as handsome as Salman Khan. Number 4. Number 5. These are all positive degrees. Number 4 was, this was positive degree. Number 5, positive degree. Very few bodybuilders, are as strong as John Cena. Very few bodybuilders are as strong as John Cena. Number 6. For example, for girls, very few girls in the world are as beautiful as I am. Very few girls in the world are as beautiful as I am. 6. Number 7. Very few. Now I think I should change the degree. I'll give it in the comparative degree. You will change to superlative. Okay. What should I write? What example would be a good one? The elephant, the peacock, the dog, tiger. The peacock is more attractive. The peacock is more attractive than many other birds. The peacock is more attractive than many other birds. And number 8 is superlative degree. Shakespeare was one of the best dramatists in the world. Shakespeare was one of the best dramatists in the world. I hope you can see the questions clearly. Very few actors in the Bollywood are as handsome as Salman Khan. Very few bodybuilders are as strong as John Cena. Very few girls in the world are as beautiful as I am. This example is for girls. For the girls, okay. The peacock is more attractive than many other birds. Comparative degree. You have to change into superlative and positive degree. And here the last example as an assignment is given in the superlative degree. You have to change it to comparative and positive. Shakespeare was one of the best dramatists in the world. Okay, so we'll stop here. That was, we have studied 2 types of degrees of comparison. There are 3 more types, and that will do all, that will complete the 5 types of degrees of comparison. So there are in all there are 5 types, and we have studied 2 types out of 5. Have a nice day.